Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to show you how I went about doing the reverse stamping with this image right here that after I had already shrunk it. Okay, and if you guys remember, yes, I have been having a lot of fun with my rubber stamper holder. If you guys remember, if you missed that video, I'm going to have it linked below also as an end card. But yes, I have been in a shrinking mood lately, shrinking quite enough that I'm really excited that I can use this and make it easier. And the more I use it, the easier it is for me to put that. This is that Creative Shop stamper head into this holder right here. But yes, as you can see, here's, it's very significantly small image. This is the original image on the stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang XL025, and there it is right there. So yes, I did a reverse stamp, and I went ahead, this one right here, I went ahead and shrunk it so that the flowers would not be so far apart from each other. And then yeah, I just added some micro beads there on the other nails. So I'm going to leave you with that tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy.
I've seen all that you know, but I believe in something untold, and I gotta know if I'm going insane. Life in the wind, and it's calling my name. It's magic, wouldn't you know? It's something fantastic, wants to be known. All that you gotta do is be willing to look for it. It's magic, alive in my bones. I've dreamed of infinite things, and reality seems so limiting. The wonder and mystery's calling me, I can't escape. 'Cause what if the song in my soul wants me to know that it's magic? Wouldn't you know? It's something fantastic, wants to be known. And all that you gotta do is be willing to look for it. It's magic, alive in my bones.
So here's the final design after I cure the top coat. And yes, I forgot to tell you, the base that I used for this mani it was a gel, so I went ahead and finished it with a gel top coat. I used rose gold was my base from my Model 1's collection, if you guys remember this. Beautiful rose gold shimmery polish right there. So that is it for this video. I hope if you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.